Guys, have you seen this video?
Qinisela still. Qinisela uzoba right. Qinisela Situdla, qinisela. Bonke nalaba bangale bawuziveli nalaba esiqale kubo ngale.
Ithenga ini red one noma brown? Red one.
Senze njani-ke sithini? Wenziwa njani makunje?
Mina bona ngiyathenga anye.
Wena uthenge kuphi wena?
Anye.
Kusho ukuthi kumele kiwe anya-ke manje.
Yeah, that is I buy anye. I have seen even boys everything. Wow.
Yabona nje-ke manje. Eyami le ingane le ekhalayo.
I know there is.
Lena nje le ekhalayo njengamanje eyami.
Wakho la?
Yebo.
Yeah, sala broken ayo. She stayed there next to my shop.
Yeah.
Lento lena wedudu le bengimele mina ngiqale i-postage nehle niye ezansi.
Into manje kumele siyenze ileyo vele. Sekumele siye police station.
Udayise kuphi bese yena eya lapho bekuzocheck amalona.
Okay, I don't know if this video is real or not, but what I just want to share was like, I thought like, okay, my people have to see this. I just hope maybe we will get an update from the news page or something, because this has to go public if it's real or because it's trending. I'm just sharing, guys. I'm just sharing. I don't know what they ate or what happened with them, because I can see my friend is included in that video. That's all I wanted you guys to see. And then they are also aware of that, like they know, okay, South Africans don't want to buy from us because the riots and the protests is like still happening, because obviously we are chasing them out of our country. Then that's the problem for them. Then maybe they will be trying to, do whatever it takes to destroy South Africans. But I'm not saying like I'm sure. I'm just giving you an information about something that I've seen from the internet. So yeah, I just hope so many people they can see this and then tell me what they think. Is it this real or not? Cause hey, guys, something's going on. I don't wanna say too much because some people will be like offended normally, because we know vele in this time of the year things are not going well for South Africa, because we have a serious situation that so many people are against us, even African countries, not knowing actually what's going on with us, because South African, I believe, we know what we are doing. I'm just a news teller. I'm trying to give you an information that you think is important or useful, or you can learn from that. So yeah, I don't know these days what to trust and not to trust, because now I don't even buy some other things from the tuck shops, like their shops, because hey Bona, there have been so many rumors circulating around into our WhatsApp groups, into our inboxes, that don't buy from them. So you guys, you can tell me if this is true or not, because that video was posted yesterday, and then I can see that they are in like a healthy premises, in a clinic. I don't know what are they doing there. Are they getting help or something else? Because hey guys, it's South Africa. Normally I won't be surprised, because I know what's going on with our country right now. And then yeah, it's a serious problem, because